Okay, this is a 2019 Honda Civic. We went ahead and installed the shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm system. There's a lot of emails come once in a blue moon asking does the shock sensor kit interfere with the remote start, and at least in our kits it doesn't. I can't speak for anybody else's kits, but no, it has no effect on the remote start. The alarm I'm going to arm it. It's been armed for a little while already. We're going to wait a little longer, that way the car sits, because a lot of times people will say, well, you armed it and you tested it out right away. I want the car to sit for a little while and once the alarm is engaged. I'm going to show you that the remote start has nothing to do. The shock sensor does not prevent the remote start from not working whatsoever. Okay, give it like 4 more seconds and I'm going to go ahead and test it out. The alarm has been armed. I mean, the shock sensor and the alarm has been armed. I'm going to go ahead and remote start it. Car is running. Okay. And for those who don't know, you can shut off the remote start by simply holding down the remote start button again, and that will shut it off. Some people don't even know about that. The remote started and they don't realize, they don't know how to turn it off. So no, it has no effect on the remote start. And the Honda Accords and all the Honda lines, our shock sensor kits do not interfere with the remote start. We just wanted to clarify that. I'm going to go ahead and illustrate the shock sensor. Okay. You gotta wait until that little light starts flashing in the corner. Okay. This is on a 2019 Honda Civic. We appreciate you watching this video.